In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Docusign address book. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you're able to manage your contacts efficiently. Whether you're updating existing contacts or adding new ones, we'll cover every detail to ensure you're all set. To kick things off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Once you're there, you'll likely find yourself on the Docusign homepage after logging into your account. If you're not already signed in, make sure you do that first. Enter your user credentials and access your account. With that out of the way, let's move on to the first thing you need to do once you're logged in. Look towards the top right corner of the interface, where you'll find an icon. This icon is typically represented by either a small silhouette or a picture depending on your account settings. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu of options. Within this menu, you'll want to locate and select My Preferences. This is where you'll manage various settings related to your Docusign account, including your contacts. Click on My Preferences, and it should direct you to a new screen filled with a list of customizable preferences you can work with. Now, you'll need to focus your attention on finding the Contacts option. Once you've found it, click on it to access your address book. This is where you can view all your current contacts. The address book feature is incredibly useful for maintaining and organizing the people you frequently interact with through Docusign. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll be able to perform various actions like adding new contacts or updating details for existing ones. If you're here to edit a contact, simply select that contact and find the Edit option nearby. Alternatively, if your goal is to add someone new, look for an Add Contact button, or a similar choice to include new entries. Remember, keeping this list up to date can save you time and reduce errors when sending documents. Make an effort to periodically review and edit this list as needed. Backtrack through these steps if you need to make more changes or adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process to update your Docusign address book. By following these clear, straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your contacts and ensure smooth transactions in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. See you next time.